Okay, I downloaded this file from Creative Fabrica. You can get the link down below. And I'm going to use this for my YouTube channel. I was going to recreate everything, but I'm just going to fix the colors. Let's just do edit, recolor. How do I type it in? Here we go. Yay. Except I didn't find all of them. Alright. I like advanced options. Okay. And these are my brand colors. Ooh, no, let's do, there we go. And then, nope, that needs to be black. And then some of these, I'm just gonna, this one needs to be green. There we go. And then I would like this one to be green. Nope. Just this handle with a darker blue. There we go. Yes, that was so good. All right, we did that in white. Don't really have anything in white. This down and duplicate it. Okay, I got everything exported as an asset. I'm just gonna go in here and rename them all real quick. There we go. PNG, SVG, and I kind of want to also just create an EPS of each one because I want to animate them in After Effects. If I'm going to go all in, I'm going to go all in and just make these really good. So I'm going to put them in there. And it's 84 because I'm multiplying it by 4. All right, there you go. So it put them in these lovely little folders and I can click on them And this is my PNG, so I'm actually going to rename that. And then this is my JPEG. Yeah. Honestly, don't really ever use JPEG, so it is what it is. Here's what it looks like. I wonder why that one was white and that one was white. That's a problem. I must have gotten the artboard with those. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and these are all the ones that I did before I locked the background. A second. Let's go ahead and create some fun things. Lines are white. Let's just see what happens. PS, I'm in After Effects. Oh, all of my sounds are gone, y'all. All of them. It's so annoying. Okay, so let's go over to. Okay, now I'm in the right spot. I want a bell icon. Oh wait, hold on. Do I have? Hold on. I think I might actually. Let me find it. Oh my gosh, I do have my sound effects. This is why my hard drives crashed. Because I have a lot of stuff. Oh boy. Well, this may hinder my plans. I have to do 25 gigs. That'll sync up. Okay. So I'm actually going to do my subscribe and then I'll do the bell. a sound I like that. Let's see that one. Okay. You need like pop up.